Hey guys, it's Lendel here, and in this video what I'm going to be showing you and sharing with you guys is how to create and share your full marketing campaign with other Kartra members. I've personally been waiting for it, and I'm so excited about this feature because I know I will be sharing it with my students, with my clients and people who I want to share my high converting funnels with. So let's go ahead and create a full blown marketing campaign or funnel, and I'll show you how it's done and how you can actually share this funnel with other Kartra members, or if they are not Kartra members yet and they would want to become Kartra members, you obviously will be able to share it with them, and they can sign up with Kartra and use your high converting funnel as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. But before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. I am releasing different trainings on how to set up your online business and how to run your online business. So if you're interested in those type of trainings, guidance and things like that, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you as a part of my tribe here on YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing that you're going to do is click on add a campaign. And also, I haven't mentioned where I'm actually at. I'm inside of my Kartra account under my campaigns tab. This is what you should be able to see. And if you're not a Kartra member yet and you'd like to start using Kartra for your business, this is a complete business platform that I use to run my entire online business on or with. So if you want to learn more about Kartra, what it is exactly, what you can use it for, and if you want to even make a switch to Kartra from other platforms and tools that you're using to run your online business, go ahead and check out the link below. I personally have switched my entire business over from other tools like ClickFunnels, GetResponse. I was also using other email marketing platforms and different tools that I was running my online business with. I've switched over to Kartra, and I never regret that because my business is basically all under one login, and it has never been this organized as it is now. And I absolutely love using Kartra because it's so simple to use and to share with others. So go ahead and check out the link below if you want to learn more about Kartra. If you're already a Kartra member, congrats. Let's go ahead and dive into this training, and I'll show you how to create your own campaign that you can share with your team members, your students, your clients, whoever you want to share it with. All right, the first thing that you're going to do is click on add campaign here. So here I'm going to put my online business lounge name and just my name, and then just a little bit about my online business lounge. All right, and click create. So with this one right here, you can upload an image, thumbnail, or a short video describing what this campaign is about. So it'll help other Kartra users understand and identify what your campaign is all about. All right, let's go ahead and add an image here. There you go. And click save, and then save and next. All right, so here it says, remember, in Kartra, everything is interconnected. You must include all assets contained within the campaign. So it says, for example, one of your pages could contain a video, an opt-in form, and a checkout, and they're all connected together. So when you are creating your campaign, make sure to include all individual assets so there's no broken connection anywhere. So it kind of, tells us what exactly we need to do and what exactly we need to add to our campaign. So we don't have anything that doesn't integrate or not connected. We can create, anything like form, video, checkout, whatever we need to put into that campaign. That's what we should be putting into it. And what you're going to do here is basically choose all of the assets that you're going to be using for this campaign and just add all of them here. So I will be promoting a product, my personal product. So obviously what I would do is choose my product here. If you don't have a product, if you're creating some kind of other campaign, obviously go to the asset where you would actually grab your your own personal asset, for example, lists, tags, pages, whatever you are adding to this campaign. And I will go ahead and start with the product. All right, click add. This one is done. Then the list would be, I assume that you already have a list where, all your leads are going to go. So what you would do is just choose your list here. If you don't have an asset that you actually need for this campaign, you haven't created it yet, what you can do is simply click on configure later and just configure and add the lists later here. So you don't have to worry about oh, I forgot to create a list, or I forgot to create some kind of page, or a sequence, or whatever, if you forgot to create something. What you are going to do is just click on configure later right here and just come back to this campaign and finish it up later, once you have everything created, like your list, your automations, your email sequences, your pages. If you have some kind of page missing, you can simply come back to this and finish this later. I do have some things ready at the moment for this campaign, but some of the things are not ready yet. So what I will do, I will go ahead and add the things that are ready for this campaign, and then come back to this later once I have the other things created, and just finish it up later. So let me just go ahead and choose some of the things here. All right, so the pages are in here. The rest of them I will go ahead and add later. Also the forms, I will go ahead and add, the ones that I already have created. All right, so for now, I'll just leave it as it is. I will need a couple more pages that I will be creating and putting together. So I will add those later. So for now, I will just click configure later. So once you have your assets and everything in there, your campaign is going to be ready, and what you're going to be able to do is share it with other Kartra members. So if you have members who are also promoting their own digital product and things like that, like I have, I will be able to just share it with them, and they'll be able to import it into their Kartra account and just edit this campaign to match their product, choose their own product and choose their own pages. It's going to allow them to use my campaign as a model to promote their own product or whatever they want to do. And if you're promoting some kind of opportunity, obviously you can create your own campaigns for an opportunity that you are promoting, and share it with your team members if your funnel is converting great. So that will actually help them, their funnels convert great, and help you all build a solid team and solid business by sharing these campaigns and using, similar campaigns that are high converting. So to go to my campaigns, you would just click here. And here is our campaign. I will have to come back and obviously finish it up, but a lot of the assets I've already added in there. I just have to add a couple more things into it to make it complete. To edit this campaign, we will just click on the three little dots and then just click edit. And obviously you can also clone this campaign if you want to clone it and create a similar kind of campaign for your other product that you have. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Hope you got an idea of what is, campaigns and funnels, and how to create a full-blown campaign or a funnel and share it with others. Because my campaign is not done yet, so it says configuration incomplete, I cannot share it with anybody yet. Once it's going to be complete, I'll be able to share it with whoever I want to share it by grabbing the link and sharing it with them. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trainings and more videos on how to build your online business. And I'll see you in the next one. Again, as I mentioned, go ahead and check out the link below this video if you want to learn more about Kartra, as well as if you want to check out my free masterclass for you guys on how to earn up to $200 per day as an affiliate marketer. All right, I'll see you in the next video.